I'm going to quickly make a lunch salad. Salad Nicoise is hard to pronounce, but it's not hard to do. I took olive oil, I took a little rosemary and put in there, and some garlic, and I have salt and pepper in here too. Beautiful tuna, and I'm gonna put it in here. The oil is very hot right now, so while we're getting all the other ingredients together, it's just gonna sit in here and poach. Green beans, just a little bit of water. Put them all up in that little bit of water we have. Of course, we wanna cook these for about 2 minutes. We're gonna start with a little bit of salad. Tomatoes we're gonna put on, cherry tomatoes. Wanna take the egg. I don't know if you like olive, that's almost have to be there for this salad niçoise. I like cucumber, and then we need a little bit of onion. Now the beans are ready, and we're gonna put them under cold water real quick. Okay, now we're gonna take the tuna. We get a lot of infused flavors there from the garlic and the rosemary. Little garnish if you have it. Potatoes, I pre-cooked them in salty water. The dressing, it's just a simple vinaigrette. I put a little bit of mustard in here, shake it, and we're gonna pour that over. Since food is love, I thought we were gonna give this dish a little love. Here's some dandelions from my garden. Food is love, love your food.